Where do you think you're going?
Nowhere, Jami.
You are going back home with me. You belong to me and no one else.
Yes.
You belong to me forever. If you utter one word now, I will kill you here. Do you hear me? You are going back home with me. You are my property. Okay?
Please, I'm begging you, don't do this. Don't, just drop the knife.
Move now, eh?
Hey! What's going on here? Why are you telling that young lady like that? What's going on? Why are you harassing the young lady that way?
How is that your business? Is it your business how I choose to harass my wife?
Officer, I'm not his wife. I'm not his wife.
If you say that again, I will stab you to death.
What? Knife? Young man, you are under arrest for possession of arms. You are under arrest.
You're a very foolish man. Do you think here is a police station? Will you get out of here? Go where you're going.
Hey, listen. I said you are under arrest before you come here.
If you touch me now, eh?
Jamike, listen to me. You get yourself into trouble.
I'll get myself into trouble, right?
Please.
Watch me. You came here to... Huh? Next time, you will learn to mind your business. Move it.
Jamike, you just killed an officer.
I said move now before you join him. Back to the house! Move. You want me to stab you before you move? You want me to hit you?
No.
Move it. Then move.
It's a dream. A dream. Oh. Babe, what's up? What's wrong with you? Are you okay? Nancy, I just had a very terrible dream. Terrible one. I saw Jamike in that dream. He killed an officer. He was chasing me with a knife and then caught up with me when an officer tried to intervene. He killed him. I just hope he hasn't gotten himself into any trouble again.
No. Huh? It's just a dream. Babe, are you sure it's not your malaria? Are you sure you took your medication this morning?
I did. Moreover, I'm okay. I'm fine. I keep having these dreams all the time. And I don't know. It's just so scary.
Okay, you need to calm down. Jamike will come and see you. He said he will come and see you when he closes from the shop. Obviously, he knows you're not feeling too well and he will come and see you. Or better still, call him.
The last price is 55,000 naira.
You know I'm your customer now. I came here to buy something every day now.
I know you see everybody and yet you come to buy from me. And that is why I'm okay. You know what will happen? What? Because to show you that I want to sell it for you, bring 54,500 naira. And that's because it's you. Relax.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, now no problem. Write me a receipt. I'm in a haste.
Okay, thank you. Excuse me. Dikeh, how are you? I'm fine, no. No, I'm at the shop. I've come.
I do now. I'm in a haste.
Yes, I'm just. No, not to worry. Nothing to worry about.
Fast now. I told you I'm in a haste.
Okay, I'll get it for you when I'm coming back. Don't worry, I'll get it for you when I'm coming back. You know I love you and I'll do anything.
Guy, I don't like this you are doing, no. I don't like it at all. It's not important to you. Eh? That you keep me standing. If you don't say one, tell me let me get out from here. What nonsense is this? Eh?
Honey, I'll call
now
you
first to
back.
come back to my stand. Why you waste my time? Shoo?
Oga, get out of my shop.
What did you say?
I said get out of my shop.
You said
Get out of my shop before I handle you. I'm talking to my woman and you're telling me I'm talking nonsense, eh? If you don't get out of here now, I'll handle you. I said get out of my shop. Tell this idiot to get out of my shop.
Bros, what is it?
You don't want to get out of my shop?
My day was okay. Did some of those women didn't come to see me? Go and drop the things inside. Hurry up, and be careful.
What are they for?
And you know my teachers. Be careful, you will soon break the bottles. These children safe. You can't put down the bottles gently. Like you. Hurry up and go back to school. Hurry up! Big girls and you're just... Small girls can't do anything again.
It's okay.
Anyway, as I was saying, a visitor brought the drinks to school for the teachers. But they're becoming lazy these days. So I said if I allow them take these drinks, they'll be lazier than they were before. So I decided to seize everything and bring it to the house.
Mama, you allowed these students carry this drink on their head from the school to this place.
Are you mad?
You should have simply put it in your boots now.
Are you mad? Is it your business? Are they your students? What is wrong with me sending them to do something for me? Is this not simple exercise? If I call them back now, they'll tell you speedy that they were doing. Exercise, lifting up and bringing down.
Nobody can stop me. Those fucking stupid Fulani boys can never drive me. What is it? Don't do this. What?
Now you're taking a big
please
risk.
now.
Don't do this. You're taking a big risk. I will enjoy you.
Mwah. Why do they call me Osuda? They don't call me for Osuda for nothing. Now let me tell you one thing. Those small Fulani brats cannot terrorize me. I am not called Osuda for nothing. Now listen to me. Where were those boys? Where were they? Where were those stupid cattle rearers who call themselves Fulani boys? Now listen to me. I fought the Burma War. I defeated them. Where were they? When I went to the Biafra War, Ojuku was scared of me, but we excelled. So where are they?
Papa,
I will finish them.
Papa, please don't go. Is this what you're going to use to fight them? Let the elders decide on what to do.
No! There is no elder in this community. Bah! I am the only elder who can stand, and that's why they call me old soldier. You understand me? Don't worry. I will get there. We show those Fulani brats that I am above them. Watch this thing. What?
Hey,
Papa, soldier! All set to go! All set to go! It has started! It has started! The Fulani cattle rearers are in our farm! Hip-hip-hip! Hooray! I remember when I was a soldier! I remember when I was... Play! Shut! Attention! Move! Now listen. 1, 2, 3, 4! Move! Papa. Take care of the house! Take care of the house! Take care of the house! Wait. Move! Wait. Move! Wait. Move! Take it easy! Take care of the house! Hey! Ha!
Papa is very stubborn. How can he go to fight the cattle rearers while the youths are there?
Your father is so stubborn. What if they kill him there? What if they kill him there? What if they hurt him? What will happen to me?
Mama, let's just pray nothing happens to him. It's okay.
I don't blame you. You are a fool. Bless me someday.
I'm a fool, I'm a fool, I'll destroy this. Are you mad? I'm going to destroy this. You say you can buy it. There's something wrong with you.
Hey!
Idiot.
You are really a fool. Idiot. You broke the fool out.
To tell him he cannot buy it. Is he mad? Idiot. God punish your papa dear. Let me see you around here again. Get out!
You broke the television.
Let me prove to him that he cannot have it. How can he come to my son? I call my woman nonsense.
Please, I am tired. Allow me to go back and call the boys. Eh? Hey. You are a woman. We don't need boys. I don't need youths to go and fight those small Fulani boys. I am not called a soldier for nothing. I remember when there was a soldier. I remember when advance to recognize present. Remember when I was a soldier. Oh, remember when I was a soldier. It's better you go alone. Eh? If you like, you go and die alone. At least you were once an old soldier. Hey. If they kill you there, that is your concern. Hey. Let me go back.
Don't have to be angry. Please, forgive my friend. He has what temper. Please, forget what he has done. Look at this thing now. That guy is a fool. A very big ego to that matter. See, I will never, even my two legs goes close to his leg, even my friends will never buy anything from that guy. That guy, he will doubt up of a woman. It's a very stupid guy. As from today henceforth, I will be coming here. Both my friends will be coming here to come and buy anything at any good for that guy. Never in my life go close to his leg. Don't buy. Carry your friends, your girlfriends, all your girlfriends, your numerous girlfriends. Bring them to me. No problem, no problem. If your girlfriend steals the remote, I'll have it. I'll come back. I will sell it. Okay, no problem. I don't have problem. Don't go to his shop to buy it. I will never near that guy's shop again. It's an ego. Don't worry, I'm coming here to buy. I won't bother with anybody. What's the rest? Don't worry. I won't count it to show you that I'm a good person. Don't worry, I'll be coming here. Okay, thanks. Okay, have a nice day. Next week you come. No problem. I'll be coming here. All right. Bye bye. Hey.
Norma, please run and go and find out if the youth have gone to help him. Also,
okay,
the boss is the only one. Lady, this is in my house. Hope all is well.
Welcoming us with a question is not the right thing to do. We've come to collect our money for absenteeism.
Lady. But it is not in your power to collect absenteeism fee from the women.
Wait. Do you want me to send these women there to collect anything worth 1,000? Is it your business what I do or decide?
I'm sorry. I asked Benwa to take order for me, to take excuse for me.
She didn't. Go in there and get us our money, please. So guardian.
Charlie, I'm sorry, I don't have the money. I'll bring it to you tomorrow.
Collect anything worth 1,000 and come out.
Agnes, why are you like this? Why do you hate me this much? What did I ever do to you? Upon how close our children are.
Hate you. Hey, hate. What closeness are you talking about? What has what I'm doing now got to do with being close? This is business, man. Business. Did you see anything? Have you found anything? Why you not follow?
Yes, we are coming.
Well, no, put that. I'll mobile phone on well, put that. Man, I battery the queer.
It's cheer up.
Seriously.
My baby.
Baby, you're welcome.
Thanks, darling.
Welcome.
Thank you. How are you doing? This is why your faces are like this. Lips are not smiling. What's wrong?
Ask her. She's been so uncomfortable that she had bad dream about you and she's been worried.
Maybe it's just because of a dream. Look at me, I'm here and fine. Cheer up, Biko.
It's okay. I'm fine. Maybe because you're here.
Oh, I beg, let me. I'll be outside.
Okay, I'll see you later, eh?
Nice.
And so I got this for you.
The last set you bought, I have still not used them, and you bought this. I thought you would have gotten your fruit.
Oh, that's true. Okay, what will happen is this: as we're driving out along the way, I'll get you fruit. I forgot because I had a very bad day today. I guess it's because I didn't see your beautiful face before leaving for the shop.
What happened? I said it. I
of our community. Yes. I greet you all. We greet you. You see, I told you, and I repeat it, the only good thing you can do for yourself in life is to become an army officer, a soldier. Because once a soldier, always a soldier. That's so. Now, I challenge you all. Go and tell the Igwe and every member of our community they should go home and sleep with their 2 eyes closed. I have taken care of the Fulani herdsmen. Yeah. Oh, soldier. Thank you. Anywhere you see or smell their presence, come and tell all soldier and I will wipe them all off. Yes. Use Gwenu!
Jamike, how could you? You went too far. Breaking your own TV, I mean damaging your own products.
I wanted to prove to him that he can never have it.
Really?
Yes.
And you think that would affect him? It would definitely affect you. Okay, now that you broke the TV, what did you do? He will go elsewhere, buy from another person, and then you lose. Jamike, why? I have told you and I'm saying it again, you need to work on your temper. That is the only fault you...
And I said I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry. Now do you want me to get the bell and begin to ring it? Why do you paint me as though I'm the devil himself?
It's okay, I'm sorry.
Sorry. I didn't mean to raise my voice. I'm sorry, baby. Okay.
It's okay, I'll just drop this in the kitchen.
But you surprised me. Eh? You and I know that you are not meant to go with us. Why did you decide to? Eh?
Now I'm looking for trouble. Let me tell you. Anything that will put trouble between us, that will cause a stir between both families, is exactly what I am looking for.
Why? Why now? Eh? Her son and your daughter are so close to comfort that they might even get married. That woman, Nekwa future-in-law. She's going to be your future-in-law.
Hey! If I may borrow your words, future-in-law is said. Not that she's an in-law for now. No. There is no way that boy will marry my daughter without my consent. You see what they are doing now? Oh yeah. Can't call Dikeh fanity. I can't borrow like our Fonzia Okumba.
Hey, my sister, look straight into your daughter's eye. So it's a feeling of love. She's madly in love. Love, Baba go crazy. Only I love Jamike.
Love Jamike. Hey, love. Do you know what love is? Because people sing about love up and down the streets. Do you know what I went through to bring up my daughters? Alone. My daughter cannot tell me what to do. Rather, I would be the one to tell her what to do. And you see this thing? It cannot work. I am planning. I will strike when I'm ready. And when I strike, hey, I got it deadly.
We all know how you suffered when your husband died to raise these children. I am, man. But when it comes to love, nem will away. Oh, Biko. Oh, you not better than love.
Old soldier has done it again.
What did he do?
Do you know he drove the headsman away? I'm telling you.
That man is good. He's so brave. Hi, old soldier.
Biko, please. I'm not ready to listen to any false news from any false human being.
Mama, I'm not lying though.
Old soldier, drive headsman away. With what?
Strong man.
With Unkwang or Kogeni. Please.
He's a strong man. Hi, old soldier.
If it's the likes of old soldier that you know, you have a problem.
You don't have to do this.
Aboy, get off my way. Hey. I want her to leave this house this minute. Now, if you do not leave this house, I'm going to call my boys to tear you apart. Now, leave this house. What did I say? Sister! I want her.
Sister, Biko.
I to do this. You're still me.
Don't say it. I beg you, cause me. Just let's go.
You're still me. Where's the big mouth?
Bring your bag.
Aboy.
Please, go and get your bag. Let us leave. Biko.
You are here. She's talking to me like this.
No, she cannot.
I will disgrace her and disgrace you. Now get her out of this house.
Biko, she will.
Let her leave this house.
Biko, please.
Move it. What rubbish? What nonsense? Did I imagine?
Let's go.
How much are you doing?
Yeah, not 300. Why are you doing that?
300. Why?
Okay,
Honey? Which one do you want? He says these ones are 300. The other one.
Oga, come and buy the orange. Like that, they make love. Let's go to car.
See me, you're talking to me.
Madam,
Because I want to buy
are you crazy or something?
Am I crazy?
How will you buy oranges away? Are you
Are you talking to me like that?
I need someone.
I'll call you.
So because you're a police officer, that's why you are disgracing me like this.
Madam, leave this place at once!
No problem. Patrick, don't you ever come my life again.
My friend, he will not call you! Get out of here! Don't be sister! My friend, sit down. I said you should sit down there!
Stop commanding me. Sit
down there!
Stop, why will you not be shouting at me too like that now? Stop commanding me. I'm a man, oh. Yeah.
It's only in the family that you show that you're a man. Sit down here! In fact, excuse me. Let me just find out what she is.
Yeah, I don't like this thing. Just be commanding somebody up and down. Sit down, sit down.
Nonsense! What rubbish!
Oh, shout as if somebody is still a small boy every time.
Now you listen to me. I do not want to see that girl in this house anymore. You listen? Are you hearing me? Are you listening to me?
My dear, don't worry about Agnes. With what I have done in this village, Agnes is supposed to respect me. Don't worry. With what my son has done for his daughter, can you imagine? Yes, she cannot respect you. But don't worry. Forget her. By the time we become in-laws, she will respect you and everything will be over. I can assure you that.
I am not happy. It's you. I am not happy. Everyone knows that Charlie does not go to collect fine when people do not come for meeting.
Yeah.
But she followed them to come here just to despise me. Just to get at me.
Don't worry. I will give Norma here money. Then she will go and pay them and bring back your tray.
Better.
Papa, if that woman would continue like this, then it's better you tell brother not to marry Dikeh.
You know your brother. Your brother has a mind of his own. Nobody can change it. But don't worry. When time comes, he will realize what's going on, and then he will change his mind.
With the way he loves her, Jamike, I know, we never think of leaving Dikeh.
Don't worry, don't worry. By the time I change my mind about them, my son will change his mind too.
I don't know why God made you a man instead of a woman. God, I'm really sorry. Especially when it comes to matters of the heart. Especially when it comes to women. They know how to maltreat you and you will just balance and relax. I don't know why you're just weak. I don't know why. I don't know.
Sister, you're insulting me. You're insulting me.
No, my brother, I am not insulting you. I'm sorry. I am just telling you the truth. You're the only brother I have. I will always stand and protect you. And I will not allow any woman come to this house and put you into trouble. No! If Bolivia were to be here now, she'll come and fight for you.
And now, then you should stop fighting for me. Did I beg you to come and fight for me?
A boy, allow us look for a cool-headed and intelligent girl to be your wife. Yes.
Sister, thank you, God bless you. But I am not interested. The girls I find myself may have one issue or the other. But nobody's perfect. I like them like that. Biko, stop fighting for me. The more you fight for me, the more you make me look weak. I'm not weak. I'm no longer that small boy that used to carry up and down. Biko, rap him.
Legwana boy, he is now a man. But whether you like it or yes, I will keep fighting for you. Let me see the woman that will come here and maltreat you and give you trouble. I want to see. Jamike, what is it? What is this? Everywhere we go, you disgrace me. Just today, you have fought twice, 2 times. Everywhere we go, you fight, quarrel. What is it? Who does that?
Why did she insult you?
What do you mean, why did she insult you? Couldn't you hold yourself? Maybe I should have been the one to buy the fruits myself. You go here, you fight, you go here, you go
Do you mind the way you talk to me yourself?
I will talk to you the way I want to. What is your problem?
Don't let me.
You want to smash my face? Well, go ahead and smash my face. Smash it, Jamike. What is wrong with you? That is the only problem you have. Your temper. Deal with it.
Dikeh!
Can you imagine? When will that guy wake up and start behaving like a man?
My sister, ask me. Just because he has 2 elder sisters that are rich and connected, that's why he's acting like this. You cannot fight with your boyfriend. You cannot have normal misunderstanding with your boyfriend. They will just jump into it and interrupt.
Honestly, I can't date such a guy. Tell me, is this how he's going to marry you?
Marry me? Did I tell you that I'm planning to marry him? I'm not marrying him more. I can't. And you even need to see the way that police was pushing me. That one, she's very heartless. A boy. No problem. He will still come and meet me here.
No wonder they call him a boy. But tell me, how did he make his money?
I'm still asking the same question. How he makes his money, I don't know. But that guy is rich. Babe, he's very rich. And that's what attracted me to him. Only for me to find out that he's a weakling.
You just need to be careful. Take care of yourself.
Boy. Hey, you need to see what happened today. You will just pity me. You will pity your girlfriend.
Talking about marriage with a boy. Well, you know you're older than a boy.
How am I older than a boy? Listen, in marriage, age doesn't count.
But if you get married to a boy, our family will be very happy. It'll be the best thing that ever happened to us. Auntie Chika, you're not going to leave me in this village.
Of course I will not leave you. That's why I'm praying for this marriage to work. Because me, I really need a husband.
Chai, no wonder. You will first fetch water for a boy's mother before fetching for the house. Anyway, I'm happy for you, Sha. I'm happy. But Auntie Chika, if you get married to a boy, you will check if there's any of his friends so that wants to get married. So that you know now.
Why not? You will be my chief bridesmaid. At least from there, guys will see you are married.
Are you serious, Auntie Chika?
Yes. Thank you, Chika.
But I cannot just wait for you to marry her. I can't wait. It's a big joy to our family.
I can't wait.
One day you have to take things easy. You have to try and control yourself. Now you're telling me your girlfriend left here in anger. What the man?
Oh, son, I just hate it when people provoke me.
It's alright. The line chairman said you have to pay your fine. So when you come to the market, you do that.
That's not a problem. When I come, I'll pay the fine.
Alright. You have to try to...
Don't stop offering to conceive of this thing now before you people come like this place.
Sorry. I will see you tomorrow in the market. Maybe I don't want to...
I call him rubbish.
I have told the people in this village that I am a good man, but most of you here always think that Okonkwo is a drunk. I'm not drunk, but one day I will show you that I'm a wise man.
Okonkwo, don't forget to pay me my money today. I have given you what I'm supposed to give you on credit. Shut up,
shut up! Keep the drink for me. Am I drinking with your money? If I don't drink it, who will?
Yeah? Okonkwo. Oh. You're here enjoying yourself, right?
Agnes, Madam Principal. Yes. Agnes, what is your business?
Not my business. Yet you have not paid your daughter's school fees, but you have money to drink.
Agnes, don't insult me.
don't just insult me. Or you are using style to beg me to marry you.
Let me advise you. Tell your daughter not to come to school tomorrow. Because if she does, I will flog her and still send her home for not paying her fees. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Look at all the empty bottles, yet you can't pay school fees.
Agnes, Madam Principal, are you the only principal in this country? You are not. If you send my daughter away from the school, I will send her to a school in the city. Besides, how much is the school fees? Chicken change!
Madam, take this drink back. No. He hasn't paid the daughter's school fees. Why are you giving him? There's no point allowing him. Look at all the bottles he has already consumed. It's obvious he's drunk. Look, all of you, help one another, help each other. You can't sit back and watch this man get himself drunk. You send him home. Go and pay your daughter's school fees.
Agnes, mind yourself or else I will deal with you, yeah? Hey, keep the drink here.
Drink. No. She's making a point. I don't want people to see me that I'm the person making you not to pay your children's school fees. Biko, pay me the one you are owing me. You've taken 6 bottles, which is 1,200. Pay me my money.
Okay, they don't do you. Go home. If you do not pay, go home.
Are you out of your mind? Waka. Let me finish this one first. Hey, bring that drink. Come on. Agnes, if I catch you.
Okay. Yes, I want to make food.
You would have waited for me to come back.
Don't worry. I don't want to overstress you. Okay? Leniria, thank you so much, Mama.
Mama, you're welcome. It's the Lord's doing.
Oh, it's the Lord's doing it. Chai! Leniria. Mama. Chai. Thank you.
When did you say boy is coming back again?
I don't know yet, but soon your husband will be back. He will be back. Your Huzi. I knew already that if he marries you, if my son, a boy marries you, overnight he will turn that his flat tummy to shoot out overnight.
Oloma, I am very sorry for everything. I need you to please forgive me. It's not really my fault. It's just my sisters. They keep protecting me every time. I did not ask them to do that, but they keep protecting me as if I'm still a baby.
Are you not a baby? Hey, boy. Are you not? See you. Don't let the money you have deceive you as if you're a man, because you're a baby.
Hey.
And you better start changing that your stupid name, boy, and answer your real name, Patrick. Be a man and grow up. What is all this?
Oloma, please, I've heard you. I'm going to work on this, but please, let us go back to my house and talk about this. Bikono.
Go back to which house?
My house.
Me, Oloma. Go back to that house. Lie. I am not stepping a foot into that house again. But wait though. How did your sister get to know that you quarrel?
I don't know.
You don't know. Any small thing, you just pick your phone and call them. As what? So we cannot have boyfriend and girlfriends fight again. We cannot have issues and settle as couples again.
We can.
A boy, please don't even try to provoke me now. Don't provoke me, just get out from here. I told you I am no longer interested in this relationship. So have Maka save up.
Oh Lord, Asa, baby, he has not gotten to this now. Bikono.
This was how your former girlfriend left you. And you want me to do the whole fighting? I'm not interested. Go back and suck your sister's breast. In Anuya, just get out from here.
Oh Lord.
Get out from here. Just go. Rubbish. You can never be a man for once. Every time they will controlling you. Has he gone? He can sleep there for all I care. Who cares?
The This is the insult that they brought upon me. Mama will have to hear this.
A boy can never be a man for once. Eh? He can't stand and take decisions on his own. What is this? Me, I'm tired though.
Nancy, calm down.
That is why I like Jamike in a way.
It's again. Who? Jamike. Let me not hear that again. Please, if that is how to be a man, count me out. How can you call that one a man? That acts like a mad person fighting twice in a day.
Are you serious?
He has temper issues.
Yes, my dear, we know he has temper issues. But come on, there are lots of people with temper issues. They don't act the way he does. If I hadn't left his house, he would have battered me again today. And then all he has to say at the end of the day is, I'm sorry. If he comes here today, I am telling him that I am done, D-O-N-E, with this relationship. Don't say that too.
I won't force any of you to continue with the relationship. They say it's he who wears the shoe that knows where it pinches him or how the most. All I can say is that nobody is perfect.
Yes, we know no one is perfect. We understand that. But you see Jamaica's own, the place it has been pinching me is now paining me. I can't. You have to bear. He's even manageable. I prefer him to Jamaica.
Manageable.
If that boy slap you.
Jamaica anytime.
I can't talk.
Okay.
Leave your wife and join the army. One more river to cross. One more river, one more aggression.
Oh, so
jeez. Son. Left, right. I'll beat you.
Soldier never die.
Don't be scared, huh? Don't be scared. My gun is in safe hands. Don't worry. Always be prepared. Be prepared. As an old soldier, I'm always prepared. Yeah. I'll greet you.
Sit down. I can see brightness on your faces.
Why can't we be happy when we have an old soldier in our midst? It is a team of joy.
Yes, it's a team of joy, my brother.
He is my brother.
Oh, soldier.
My brother.
Oh, soldier. That's why we are here. Oh, soldier.
Never dies.
We, the elders, have decided to thank you for what you did today. Huh? It's an act of bravery. You see, we've been living in fear after hearing what those people did to other neighboring towns. Huh? So what you did today will show them that this community is a no-go area for them.
Yes.
Huh? Oh, soldier, thank you very much.
In fact, you deserve an award for this.
Yes.
You deserve it. Gentlemen.
Oh, soldier.
What I did for myself. I didn't do it for anybody in this community. Listen to me. I am not called old soldier for nothing. I'm always at alert. You think I'll be alive? And I look at all these little brats, they call themselves Fulani headsmen. Oh no. I am ready to... Only 3 bullets and they're gone. That's just me.
Sit down. You deserve it. Huh? Igwe asked me to include your name amongst the king's cabinet. Yes, when he comes back, we are going to inaugurate it. Huh? Our free chieftaincy title awaits you, O soldier.
You see? That's splendid! Oh, that's splendid! That's splendid! Oh, yes! Now, listen to me. Listen to me. What you people have to do for me is be on the lookout. Always be on alert. Anywhere you see those little brats who call themselves Fulani headsmen, even Boko Haram, inform me. I, old soldier, will finish them. Once we... And
old soldier
never dies. And they are gone. So please, advance to be recognized. Permission to fall out. One more river, leave your wife and join the army. Thank you so much. I want to march off.
We are proud to have you in our midst.
Don't worry.
Oh, soldier.
Oh, soldier never died.
Right.
Oh, soldier never died.
Oh, soldier.
Thank you very much. I move.
He's my brother.
Oh, my brother.
Okay. It is better you leave. Because there is nothing you will say to me that will make me leave this compound with you again.
I'm saying I'm sorry now, please. You're the only one who knows this, my temperament. You know it's my problem and we're working on it.
Don't be angry now, please. Let's go back to the house and talk.
Go back to which house? Me? You? Never. You promised never to hit me today and you almost did.
But I didn't.
Oh,
I held myself back.
I should have waited.
Please now. See, your neighbors will soon come out and begin to see us here. Let's go back to the house and settle this amicably.
Look who is concerned about neighbors.
Come, let's go back.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You've had the guts to walk out on me.
Dikeh. Biko Nunu. Please, now, please. See, Dikeh, let's go back to the house and settle this, please. Okay, if you don't want to come to the house, let's just go to a bar or somewhere, anywhere and talk. Please.
It's okay, let me change into something better.
Thank you.
Good evening, Mama.
Good evening.
Mama, is Aloma around?
State your mission and get out.
Okay, Ma. My mother said I should give you this money and collect our tray.
Aloma! Aloma!
Yes, Mama.
Collect the money and give her back the tray.
One girl, she want to eat everything. One girl, she want to chop everything. Now which kind of woman be this? I tire. Now which kind of woman be this?
Thank you, Mama.
I tire.
Bye.
What type of woman be this? I tire. What type of mama be this? I tire.
I thought they wanted to prove stuff.
Mama, why were you so mean to her?
Because she's from a family of false people.
Mama, Norma is neither her father nor her brother. Besides, Norma is a very nice girl. I know her very well.
Okay.
Don't forget her brother is getting married to my sister.
Have you finished what you're doing in the kitchen?
No.
Then carry your busybody self back into that kitchen. And don't ever tell me about anyone getting married to anybody. Nonsense. Busybody. I don't ever want to hear it again. Busybody. Nonsense. She's from a noisy family. All they know how to do is shout, shout, make noise. Spread false news. Nonsense. Nene, eat. In short, 0 over 100. I see how who is Obi or see Obi is on the tree. Who is Obi, not where is Obi? 2 different questions. Nonsense.
What type of mama be this?
I told them who I am. Once a soldier, always a soldier. And all soldier
never die.
Hey, my tray is back. You go and keep it for me. If Agnes like, let her eat herself.
Mama, you needed to see the attitude that woman gave me. I wonder what we did to her that will make her treat us this way.
Don't worry. Now she will know who I am. You see, she knows I'm an old soldier. By the time I destroy all those Fulani herdsmen, finally, she will come crawling towards me. She will crawl and crawl and crawl and start begging.
And then you will match on her. Prostate her. Stupid head. Good.
Always a soldier, always a soldier. Always a soldier, and all soldier never dies. Match.
Yeah, keep my tray for me.
Okay. So, and get my food for me.
Okay, Papa.
Mama.
Huh?
Where are you going to?
Oh! Mom.
Where are you going to?
I am going to see Obi. I gave her money to buy something for me from the market. So I said, let me go and collect it. This one you came without informing me.
Mama, it's not every time I want to see my mother that I have to inform you first before I come and see you. And Mama, I'm not very happy. There is something I need to discuss with you. Cannot be wait. I need us to go back home. Let's go and talk. Biko.
Why are you looking at me?
It's one face I can't resist looking at.
Okay, come on, that's a joke, right?
Who's joking? You know I'm not joking.
Good day, sir. Good day, ma.
Good day. How are you?
How will I get for you people?
What would you like to take on?
Anything is fine, but please no alcohol.
Sir, what about you?
Wine. Let's get wine.
Okay. We have red wine, champagne.
I said get me wine.
It's okay. Just get us a bottle of champagne, please. Honey, please, we are outside. I don't want you to get angry over nothing, okay? I just want you to be calm, please.
What's the meaning of that?
I'm just saying I don't want any drama. I just want everything to...
You don't want any drama? I'm not a mad person, right?
Chamike, I haven't said...
No, that is what you're saying. I'm a madman. Everywhere I go, I display. Is that not it?
Chamike, I'm just trying to...
Stop me! What is that? What do you take me for, an animal or what?
Chamike, I haven't...
You haven't said what? What are you implying in public? I'm a mad person, isn't it?
Chamike, we're outside.
Meet me.
I need someone to love, because I can't help myself. Baby, stand with me, just show me love, or even more.
Boy, don't tell me it's the reason you visited.
Mama, you're telling me it's not enough reason. Yeah? By the way, I have decided that from now on, I do not want anybody to address me as a boy.
Hey, it does. Oh, you are very, very funny. Why do you want to change the name of it?
Mama, you don't laughing at me. Have you finished laughing at me? I'll tell you I want to change it. Mama, I do not wish to be addressed as a boy anymore because I am a grown man. Mama, I have grown. I'm no longer a boy. This is why my sisters keep thinking I'm still a boy. They keep meddling in my affairs with my girlfriends. My girlfriend does something, I let sister know, and the next thing she's overreacting. Why? Because she still thinks I'm still her baby. She has to look after me. Mama, Achorozimia. Achorozimia. Biko, tell them to stay away from my affairs with my girlfriends. If my girlfriend does anything wrong, and I happen to tell her, I am telling her just because she's my sister, not because I want her to come and fight for me. Do you understand? I tell her my girlfriend did something and then she came around and she threw my girlfriend out. Why?
Then why did you tell her?
Good life. I will tell you why I told her. Mama, sister called me. She asked me how I did I said, hey, I'm fine. She said, hi, is your girlfriend? I said, my girlfriend is fine, just that we are having a little problem. Just that, because she's giving me a little hard time. Sister got upset. She got upset. She found my girlfriend. She came over and she threw her out. Mama, what is she supposed to throw my girlfriend out? Just because I told her something?
Ah, boy. Listen. We will not leave and see any girl, any woman, treat you anyhow. Okay? You are all we have. My only son. The only Iroko tree in my husband's house. You made me to still live in my husband's house. Like I said, we will not live and see any woman treat you anyhow. Inania, boy, eat your food.
Mama, I will eat. What's not our boy? It's Patrick.
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 Boy, eat your food. I am not laughing at you.
Don't let people stare at us on the street.
Oh, really? People are staring. But when you do yours, you don't even think about people around. Well, Jamike, I don't care. Just leave me alone and let me be, please.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You are not sorry.
I'm sorry.
You are not. You see this relationship of ours? I am done. We have to sit and think about it. I can't cope. I am going mad.
You cannot say that now, Abba.
What do you mean?
You cannot talk like that.
Jamike, please, let me go.
Wait. What? Listen to me.
Jamike, leave me alone. Leave me. You are not sorry.
I'm sorry.
You are not sorry. Leave me. I am tired, Jamike. I can't come here. I am tired.
Please.
Leave me alone. What is it?
Leave her. She said she don't want you. Leave her. Don't be a woman rapper.
Are you talking to me?
Woman rapper.
Jamike! Jamike, you touch me! Leave me alone! What is it?
Please, can you do it? I'm begging you, calm down. Are you not a human being? Are you God? I'm saying I'm sorry. You're not taking it.
You're shouting at me?
Yes!
Jamike, I am even complaining about what you did and you are shouting at me? Jesus Christ. Jamike, I beg you in the name of God, everything you hold dear, let me go. Jamike, if you touch me one more time,
Dikeh, accept this apology. Accept it now. Don't make me angry.
What I'm trying to say is that you are a rich boy. You are born to be great. Oh yes, you are rich. And no woman should ride on you. No one. I think I will send for your sisters to come.
Why do you have to send my sisters to come? Eh? Mama, do they have to be involved in everything I'm doing? Are you telling me I cannot decide who to marry and when to marry, Mama? Mama, please. My sisters are both married. Eh? Mama, I have told you. If you people do not stop calling me a boy, I'm going to make an announcement in this village. Yes. If anybody calls me a boy in this village again, I will make sure that person gets punished.
Huh? What about me? So if I call you a boy now, you punish me? Huh? Chai, a boy.
Mama, it's not funny. Mama, I'm not laughing. Mama, I mean it.
You don't know the joy I had when I gave birth to you. You don't know. I was told I am going to give birth to you. Until that day, that very day, no one ever believed that you are a boy. Until when I went to the hospital and the doctor, they took me inside labor room. Simba saw them. Push. Push where you came out. When you came out, I looked deeply at you and I discovered that there was one tingling thing in between your two legs. I started shouting, "It's a boy, yo! It's a boy, yo! It's a boy!" Both the doctor and the nurses, they were all dumbfounded. That was how everybody started calling you a boy. Till today. Now tell me, in this village, is there any boy or a girl that's better than you? Wakanim? Is there anyone?
Mama, I'm telling you something that is very important to me and you're here laughing at me.
I am not laughing at you, my
Mama,
son.
you are laughing at me.
I am laughing at the mystery surrounding your birth. You don't know how much love your sisters and I have for you. Imaro? Now,
Mama.
Odogum, Dikeh, Aboy!
Mama, I know you and my sisters love me, but I just want to be able to do things now as a grown man. That's all I'm saying. Be cool, talk to them for me.
But eat your food, or should I feed you? Aboy! Aboy!
Babe, he's still waiting. Come and pick his call. Please, just answer him now. It's
Nancy,
okay.
Nancy, please. I'm not picking his call. For how long will this continue?
Babe, you need to calm down, eh? You've been enduring this thing for long. I know that one day God will change him.
Which God? Nancy, this is not a matter of God. This is Jamike's personal character. This is his life. One day I'll wake up and I'll hear that Jamike has killed someone. What do? I am done with this relationship. I am not going back to him. Never.
No, babe, don't say that.
Don't tell me not to say that because there is nothing else I would say. You know, sometimes I just wish Jamike has the kind of character a boy has. Although people think that he's lily, but my dear, I prefer him that way. He is just my kind of man. Perfect, gentle, calm.
Babe, but he's nice though. This is just his temper.
That is the issue. His temper. I can't deal. I am done. I can't enjoy it anymore.
Okay, why not just answer him? Just one more time.
Nancy.
Just once.
Nancy, please. Drop it.
Okay, pick your call now. What is all this? Pick your call now. Eh? Is it bad for someone to have that temper?
Baby, must stand with me. Just show me love. Oh, you
Okay, pick your call. Pick your call. God, what is happening to me? Eh? Why can she not just overlook this single fault of mine? Why? Why?
I promise you.
Chika!
Ah, boy. Good afternoon.
Yeah, one.
I'm fine, thank you. I bless God.
You're looking good.
Thank you very much. Oh, God be the glory.
Yes.
Are you just coming?
Oh no, I've been around for a couple hours, but I was with Mama and she told me how you've been helping her at home with a lot of house chores. I really appreciate it.
It's the Lord's doing, don't mention.
Thank you
nothing,
very much.
it's nothing.
Thank you.
Are you going back now?
Yes, I did not plan to sleep over, but you know, I promise you, when next I'm coming, I'll buy you some beautiful packages.
Are you serious? Thank you very much.
But hold on.
God bless you.
I really appreciate you taking care of Mama and helping her at home.
Thank you very much. I will stop praying for you.
I appreciate that. Thank you. And don't stop taking care of Mama.
I won't. I'll do my best. Sure, trust me.
Thank you.
To the glory of God. Thanks. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I'll remember your gifts when next I'm coming.
It's okay.
I'll remember.
Johnny messes. May the Lord see you through.
Amen.
Thank
you.
What is it? Auntie what now?
Grandma.
Grandma?
Yeah. Grandma is dead.
Which grandma?
It's your grandma.
My mother is dead. Hey! Hey! I'm in trouble. My mother is dead. My own mother is dead. Chime! Eh? How do I remember?
Grandma is dead.
I am finished. Hey!
Mom, it's okay now. Let me take you there. Let me take you there.
My mother is dead, Nugula. Hey!
Jamike, truth be told, you cannot continue to beg me like this. For how long? I mean, is this how we are going to get married?
I'm sorry now. I'm begging you. I'm sorry. Listen, I've realized.
See, I've realized there's a very, very serious evil spirit that is disturbing me and needs to be cured. I've realized that. I need deliverance. I'm saying it with my mouth. Can't you see it? Please, just forgive me.
It's okay, but this is not what we should talk about this morning. I need to go to school. I'm running late already.
Fine.
No, but listen. When I get back, we need to sit and talk. Serious talk.
I will wait for you already. I'll be here. Okay, don't worry. I'll take you to school. You know I can't do anything for you. Just don't be angry with me. I'll take you to school myself. Oh. We came. Baby.
You people knew that she was sick and nobody bothered to tell me.
My mother took her to this place for local medication. She wanted to call you only for her to die this morning.
I am finished. Can no DC Kebuka or one. You call Becky and let her know what happened. I may not come back this night. Okay. Take care of the house.
These caterpillars are evil! Evil! No. We won't take this at all. We won't take this. Fight!
Hey.
This.
What is happening here? So it is true. It is true.
It is.
Yes, it is true. It's true. It's true. You have seen it. You have seen it. See, you elders must do something. You people should do something in this village. Look at him. Just look at him. If you people do not do something, if you people do not do something, and a war. We the youth of this village, I got war.
Yes.
I want war.
That is too much.
All soldiers must hear this.
Hey, Che. We have already sent someone to go and call him.
I will call him myself. I will tell all soldiers. So why
You better call him now.
Boy, what is it? Let's sit there now.
You have to calm down. Let's talk this through now. Because I have reported this issue to my mother already. So
Once again, you have reported it to your mother already. Hey, her boy, so you can't be a man and take decisions on your own. Eh? What is this my mother and my sister for?
No, you don't understand what I said. I mean, I reported my sisters to my mother, so she can warn them to stay away from my matters. I want to take charge now. I want to be able to so that you and I can resolve our issues on our own. Eh? Because no, I don't want us to lose each other.
Oh boy. Ifela Nemekwagi. Eh? See, I am no longer interested. I am here to collect the money you promised me. If you're not giving it to me, tell me, let me get out from here before your sister will come and attack me again.
If it's the money, I can give it to you, but just that I do not have cash at home, so we can go to the bank and I'll give it to you.
Don't touch me, Atman.
Please, I have decided that nobody should call me a boy anymore. From now on, my name is Patrick.
As if you have the final say. Pico, grow up. Nobody should call you a boy again. Small time, you go and tell your mother.
I'll get my car keys and
It is obvious to me that I made a mistake yesterday. I should have killed them. But this time around, they cannot escape me.
This is not a fight you can fight all alone. Because Siano, don't go. Biko.
How can you go to fight when the youths are there?
Youths? Which youths?
The youth of this community.
Listen to me. Once a soldier, always a soldier. The youth to talk about. Have they ever gone to war? No! This is not the protest march. You carry leaves and you start protesting. We don't go agree with you. No. This is not a Luther continua. I will tell you one basic fact. Those Fulani herdsmen, I am going to cut their heads off one by one.
Nah, you know, it's not fair that a man will release his cow to go and destroy another man's farmland.
They will pretend they don't know what they are doing, but they do. Let me tell you one thing. If I got puta, today, you Fulani herdsmen, I come after you. Wait for me. You have signed your death warrant. You will feel me.
Just take it easy.
Take care of your house. I go to war.
Mama.
Your father is very stubborn.
I know. Don't worry. I'm sure the youths will be there to help him. He won't fight alone this time, okay?
I just pray so.
It's okay, Mama.
You have to control your temper. If not, with the way you are doing, your wife, your girl might decide not to do with you again. She might leave you.
What? Or some anything that will make her leave me. That thing had better not happen, no, because it will be war. War!
Then you have to control your temper. You have to control your temper. This is not fair.
Do you sell 14 inches TV?
Yes, we have.
Hope you don't sell China. I don't sell China.
So this place looks like where we say China.
Who knows? People are wicked in this market. You might get whatever that's TV.
What is idiot? Don't worry.
I thought of what is here. So let me where you work.
Nekuda! Hey! Don't come back here again, no!
If you find that thing, how can she not be our wife? What kind of hero was he, Uncle? Don't tell me that! What kind of heroism was that? How can all the youth in the village run away and allow old men to go to war?
Your father was very stubborn. Norma here will bear me witness. We tried to save him, but he wouldn't listen.
Papa!
He said those soldiers don't die. Even Okoye will bear me witness. He was the one that came and called him. They attacked 2 days ago. Yesterday they came back again. And look at what happened.
I swear if nothing is done about this, I will set this village ablaze. But the cattlemen and the villagers, I will set everybody aflame.